Hello everyone, welcome to another story. Pepper learns good manners. Happy birthday, Pepper. Thank you. Good evening, Mrs. Brown. Hello, dear. Here's a hat for you. Thanks. And this is for you. Thank you. Happy birthday, Pepper. Wow! Another gift. Thanks, Papa. Wow! Yay! Cake! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Pepper. Oops, sorry. Please pass the chips, Paul. Here you are. I like lots of pepper on my pizza. Watch out. Achoo! Cover your mouth when you sneeze, Dan. I I beg your pardon. Chom chom nom 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 nom. Max, don't chew with your mouth open. Have you seen the latest? Mama, I want more cake. Pepper, don't interrupt when someone is speaking. Mmm, that was a great meal. Ugh. Bob, oops, excuse me. Maybe help you clear up? Thanks, dear. Thank you for lovely party. Thanks for coming.